21 things I learned at 21. अभी 2-3 दिन है 22 होने में, so मैंने अभी तक 21 चीज़ें ही सीखी हैं. Happy Choti Diwali. I know you're seeing this on Sunday, which is Choti Diwali, and oh my god, I was just saying I have a Diwali haul. Okay, let me just start with an update of the Diwali week, which by the way was supposed to be my birthday week. So, but it's okay, me and like Lakshmi ji can party together. I was very bitter about this ki oh my god, Diwali is stealing my thunder, but Mukund gave me a new lens to look at it like this, and it's quite cool. So the Diwali update is that abhi tak nani Diwali party mein ja chuki hai, but me going strong, 0 on 0, and you know what, I'm fine with that. On 22nd October, you can also feel free to treat it like a holiday and not work. I'm just kidding. I'm cutting the leaf. And let me just skip to the best part. When I saw this sitting on the shelf, I was like, अगर ये मैंने नहीं लिया और ये किसी और के हाथ लग गया तो मेरे को रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. This is so beautiful. I was like, इसके लिए मुझे मेरी किडनी क्यों ना बेचनी पड़े. I'm gonna take this. 10 on 10. Steel. बस अब बोरिंग चीज़ें दिया वगैरह. Okay, now let's get into the video. 21 things I learned at 21. अभी 2-3 दिन है 22 होने में, so मैंने अभी तक 21 चीज़ें ही सीखी हैं. Number 1, I learned how to do my makeup, how to start a YouTube channel, be on a set, start a business, and how to not cry every time your mom leaves you, because that's what you do at like 1 or 2. So I've learned a lot in 21. Okay, on to the deep things. You are the only one who actually has to put in the work. Your friends and family can support you, but जब तक आप खुद अपने आप को एक लेवल पे नहीं लेके आओगे, आपको कोई भी नहीं पूछेगा. Let's go. Funny people. I love funny people. I've learned that I find it really difficult, or like I cannot be friends with anyone who is not funny naturally, because someone who takes a joke on themselves, I find that so cool, and I think this is something I love. I have learned to put myself in uncomfortable situations, like not unnecessary uncomfortable situations that जो हमें challenge करती है, so that at least for the next time we know what not to do. Small lights and lamps literally can change my mood, turns like a bad day into a good one, and all the good things. I have learned that your body can amaze you, but if you let it, like if you help, वरना वो आपको बहुत ही दूसरे एस्पेक्ट में आपको अमेज कर देगी. That is not what I'm talking about. You deserve, like we all of us deserve to see ourselves in our best shape once. I personally believe that peer pressure is stupid. Why would you want to spend like a major chunk of your time wishing or being influenced by people doing the same things? And I'm not talking about like stupid, silly, unserious things like trends and everything. I love trends, but generally, like in the serious stuff in your life, peer pressure does not matter to me. And it stems from comparison, right? So comparison genuinely like wastes your time, nothing else, and we don't do that. Tandoori roti instead of naan is maturity. I was fine being immature for a large part of my 21 years, but it does make a difference, and now I kind of like it. You cannot rely on anyone solely for your happiness, not even your friends, like your closest friends. Their opinion of you has everything to do with them, and close to nothing to do with you, because at the end of the day ये मतलब सिर्फ एक ओपिनियन है, कल कुछ था परसों कुछ और होगा, उसके बेसिस पे हम अपने को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, हम अपने आप को कैसे व्यू करते हैं, दैट कैन नॉट कीप चेंजिंग. सो इट्स अप टू अस टू बिलीव वट एवर द हेल वी वॉन्ट टू बिलीव अबाउट अस. Also, this is not ये एक lesson नहीं है, but I just want to come out here and say it. I love Taylor Swift and I love Karan Aujla. Will society accept me? I don't care. Okay, I feel traveling can literally give you a new personality, a newfound confidence, a new outlook. Basically, you can feel like a completely new person if you travel, not just in autos, that too, but all over the world, in your own country. So like, try a new accent, be whoever you want to be. Also, I just realized some of you, like the OGs, are there with me since I was 19 on this channel, which is crazy. Okay, I'm here. Next, I have learned that we should carry a comb, a pocket perfume, a must, and a lip gloss at all times, because you will be needing it. Even if you don't need it, it's always nice to have these with you. Yeah, that is all. Like, I need this right now. And having like a cute sipper to drink from will increase your chances of hydrating yourself. So yeah, I've learned that. The next thing I have learned is that for long-term results, shortcuts don't do. Long-term work that takes a period of time consistently for long-term results, and shortcuts are basically a sham. They will give you maybe instant gratification, but they won't last in anything. Also, I have learned that you will never not feel happy after a workout. Like, you will always feel happy after moving your body. That is just how, you know, the hormones and like the chemicals inside us work. हम स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर में और जो भी होता है उसमें नहा सकते हैं, पर अगर हम खा अनहेल्दीली रहे हैं, पिज़्ज़ा बर्गर खा रहे हैं, तो कोई आज सच फ़ायदा नहीं होता है, वर्कआउट का भी फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. ऐसे मार मेरा पिज़्ज़ा खाने का मन हो गया, बर्थडे पे खाऊंगी.
बहुत अच्छा हो कि तेरी ऐप लीक हो गई. That's what you deserve. बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी कि ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया तेरे लिए मैंने. तू जा और रह अपने ऐप्स और मशीन्स के पास. Because that's where you belong.
I've learned to make a vision board and keep making it for every passing year, month, whatever you want to do. Just make it, not because everybody does it, not because it's cool or like Pinteresty. Just do it. There is science behind it. You'll actually have some direction and a little bit of a reality check ki okay, ye sab I decided that मेरे को करना है, so where are we at? You know, accountability. That's the word I was looking for. Never, and I mean never discuss big things with small-minded people or people you don't think would understand where you're coming from, or people who are just not brave enough to think big things for themselves. बिल्कुल भी don't waste your energy there, because sometimes लोगों को ज्ञान देना भी बहुत पसंद होता है. So you know, sometimes you just need to have that quiet smile and let people underestimate you or think you're dumb, and let them think they're bloody smart. Yeah, I love this point. Looking at your childhood pictures actually makes you not hate yourself, and actually you start seeing yourself for who you are. You start loving yourself, and it actually puts things into perspective. I have learned this about myself, that I'm very possessive and obsessive. Not in a weird, creepy, controlling, toxic way, but just in obsessive in the sense of that if it's next to impossible for me to, get bored of things I like. I'm possessive in the sense of obviously the people I love in my life, the artists I love, and even you guys, like the people who comment on my videos. तो मेरे को उनके यूजर नेम्स याद है, ठीक है, मैं बोल रही हूँ तो बोल लेती हूँ, ठीक है, तो मेरे को उनके यूजर नेम्स याद है, तो मैं उन्हें किसी और के कमेंट सेक्शन में अगर मेरे को दिख जाएगा ना कोई, तो I'm like ओके, मजाक कर रही हूँ मैं, not really, but yeah, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. Then I have learned that my true passion in fashion is having good pair of jeans, and I think we've been over this, but I just had to put it in this video. Lots of shorts, blazers, waistcoats. And last, I am learning to not be scared of love, but instead be open to it. My whole teenage, I did not laugh freely. I did not even love myself, which sucks. Like, why would I do that? But if you do that, let's not do that. Because some people really make you learn what it is to be comfortable in being yourself, in the small gestures, in everyday life, in the way they can sense if something's wrong. So yeah, this is my last learning: be open to love, not scared of it. And this is my last video as a 21-year-old. You know what, I don't hate it as much. I'm excited to be 22. I love you guys. I will see you guys